Hello guys, and welcome to your Spanish course, Learn Spanish from Zero, with your Spanish teacher, Domingo. Let's start. In our previous video, we were talking about the verb be, ser, in Spanish. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on the verb be, but this time, estar. So, at the end of this video, you will be able to do the following. Recognize the verb be in Spanish and master the use of estar in the proper context. Let's start right away. Verb to be. El verbo estar. Unlike English, Spanish has two forms of verb to be, which are ser or estar. However, we're going to focus on estar in today's presentation. Conjugation of verb be in the present. La conjugación del verbo estar en el presente. Remember that the verb to be, in this case, estar, is also an irregular verb, alright? So let's start conjugating this verb. Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you are. Usted está, you are. Él está, ella está. He is, she is, and also it is. Nosotros estamos, nosotras estamos when you refer to female. We are. Ustedes están, you are. Ellos están, ellas están, they are. When do we use the verb estar in Spanish? Well, that's easy. To talk about locations or positions, preposition of places, emotions, actions, when asking someone how he or she feels, to talk about conditions and temporary states. Now, I'm gonna give you a couple of sentences for you to understand the use of estar with the previous explanation. When we talk about location, it's like, estamos en Argentina. We are in Argentina. Argentina is a location, una ubicación. Francis está afuera. Francis is outside, so outside indicates location. Also, we use the verb estar when we talk about prepositions of place, preposiciones de lugar. For instance, él está fuera del país. He is out of the country. If you notice, the bold word fuera is a preposition of place. Ellas están al lado mío. They are next to me. So remember, ellas is they, but for female. So al lado is in English next to, which is a preposition of place. When you want to talk about emotions, you use the verb estar. For example, ella está triste. She is sad. Yo estoy contento hoy. I'm happy today. If you're talking about actions, you also use the verb estar. For example, ustedes están diciendo hola. You're saying hello. When asking someone how they feel, you also use the verb estar. For example, ¿cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien, gracias. I'm fine, thank you. So notice that the question was, how are you? To ask about how the person is feeling. We can also use the verb estar to talk about conditions. For instance, está lloviendo. It's raining, so we're talking about weather condition. Está haciendo sol. It's sunny. El café está frío. The coffee is cold. What is the condition of the coffee? That it is cold. Also, when we talk about temporary states, that is also related with the verb estar. For instance, estás muy delicada. You're looking very delicate. Hoy estoy exhausto. I'm exhausted today. Estamos aburridas. We are bored. So notice that the people here said estamos aburridas. So aburridas is an adjective that describes we. So aburridas refers to nosotras. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, comments, and share it with your friends and acquaintances. Thank you.